Suppose the director of marketing, in an effort to maximize the value of their activities, has a report that allows them to determine the effectiveness of their campaigns by tracking the status of leads that have been given to the sales department. This lead management status report, created with Excel Connect, brings their Epicor data together with data from their CRM system to show them how many leads they've generated for the sales team and where those leads are in the sales cycle. While reviewing this report, they see that there are currently 11 leads still classified as contact the prospect, which means that they have not progressed past the first stage of the sales process. This brings up a number of questions. In the past, they would have to request the information needed to answer their questions from the analyst that built the report. This means going back into the queue and hoping that they can get it in a timely manner. However, with Excel Connect, that information is available to them on a self-serve basis. By highlighting this first column and dragging it to the right, they are able to see these leads broken down by campaign, which shows that most of the leads still in Contact the Prospect are in the Customer Relationship campaign. This raises a red flag because that campaign generates leads from their existing customer base, so the conversion rate on those is generally pretty high. Drilling down on those leads shows that all but 2 of them have been quoted. They can also see other information like quote number and which salesperson these belong to. They then send an email to the Director of Sales to alert them to what was discovered. The situation can continue to be monitored through this report as data can be refreshed as often as necessary. The Director of Sales receives the email from marketing letting them know that there are 11 leads that don't appear to be progressing. The Director of Sales looks at the same lead management status report where they can drill down on those leads and bring the detail up in pivot table format. They are then able to add salesperson as a filter, which shows that almost all of those leads belong to one sales rep. Armed with this information, they can utilize other sales reports to get more detailed information about the activity of this particular salesperson.